So when you study art and drawing, you begin to understand how geometric shapes and how colors and shades on a two-dimensional surface creates this three-dimensional optical illusion.
We interpret sound as a wave because sound is actually illustrated on a two-dimensional surface. But when you think about sound, sound is actually has to be sound is actually is sort of dispersed from a three-dimensional perspective because it's sort of
especially surrealism. Salvador Dali. Surrealism is a fascinating phenomenon because Salvador Dali, man. What Salvador Dali did was something called the juxtaposition of incongruity. You know.
When you hear A chord, primarily it's 440 hertz. That is.
So we have the sound that propagates at 700 miles per hour. That's amplitude, frequency, that velocity. So you have like this expanding bubble that propagates. You know, intensity determines the distance at which the acceleration of the sound propagates.